you can see how dark around us. This is the cause from our Taal volcano. You can see all the red. Oh! Scary. Because you see it all the way up right there.
Yeah,
oh
go ahead.
my gosh. All the ashes, or all this goes all the way to the east side. It's growing and growing. And that reddish part. Oh! Ooh. Yeah, it's really wide right now. It's getting wide.
Yun! Nakuha mo yun?
I'm looking over there.
Pinakilabutan ako eh.
You know, tingnan mo na ano siya. Nag-expand. You guys notice? That side is expanding.
Ito mo, ibang usok doon sa medyo baba.
That's the ash. That's the ash. The bottom part is the ash. I don't know if it's gonna rain tonight, but this is hideous. You can't underestimate a small volcano. You know, nag-expand siya dito.
Yun, yung part na yun.
Yeah, that part.
Yung ano,
This
maliit,
part.
yung ano, yung...
All dark right now.
Yun, kita mo yun, Yun, nataas.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This like cumulus.
Oo, yung part na rin.
It's like a brain.
Kitang-kita sa
Oh, this is the affected area right there. So big now.
Grabe, ang bilis tumaas. O, tama,
You see how wide it is? Right here?
Grabe, para tayo. Sobrang dilim niya. Ang bilis tumaas niya.
This started like 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
Lunch daw eh.
Oh, it's 12 noon and it's currently like 6 p.m. Wow. Oh, it's getting wide. This side.
Wala, tumanan doon agad.
Side.
Ang bilis niya.
There's no sound for all the sparks. A while ago there's some sound or thunder. It's all pushing, going to the east. You see? The whole environment is so dark. Ooh.
Para nagsushooting.
Oh my God.
Butit din magkasabay ang ano.
Hey, look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. It looks like it's exploding or something. Really fast. See it, guys, there. I don't know if you can see it. It's moving. Yes, Ate Marian. We're from Lipa. We're pretty close to Taal Volcano.
Yung part na yun, oh, yun. Yun yung sa bunganga, tapos ng bunganga. Ang bilis umakyat. Nagayon naman si Ja eh. Kaya makakapag-drone doon, magagabukan ang drone.
I wish I have a drone. It's safe in our place. We're far from Taal Volcano. Woo! Oh.
Uwi na.
We're gonna watch this at home in the apartment. Yeah. It doesn't fit anymore on my phone. A while ago it was just tiny. Now it's all wide. Scary. See the top. It's all dark. Oh shit. Oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna go home. This is scary. We're planning to climb on our property, but it's scary. Lucky, can you see this in Laguna? Lucky, can you see this in Laguna? I feel like this is so close. Oh my god! Ooh, it's scary. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. I don't want to look. You can hear, guys, all the thunders. Hey guys, I'm outside. Currently it's January 12th and it's almost 7 p.m. and our volcano are currently, you know, erupting. So you can see oh my god, you can capture it. It's scary. But yeah, it's a lot of thunders happening. We have our Taal Volcano erupting. Ah, it's clear. Oh, the thunder. Mas clear dito sa habit. We're here in Lipa, Batangas, and this is the stage of our volcano. It's 6:30 or 7 p.m. right now. We are currently on level 3 alert. In the nearby area have ashes and rains already. Some cars are covered by ashes already. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look has thunders. The inside.
Hindi dumasikapan O, tinan mo, malapit ako ha.
Wow.
Yung pisang ko doon sa amin.
I don't know if you can
Malapit
see.
kasi kami dyan
Oh, that is where my neighbors live. And that's the current
Hindi kita dito sa atin.
situation of the volcano. My gosh. This is only the after effect of the explosion.
Ito yung kuha ng mga taga sa malapit.
Oh.
Ngayon lang 11 minutes lang.
Wow.
Hindi na dumasikapan Hindi makita dito sa atin.
Yeah.
Wow. Ganyan yung sumabog
Last
Malapit
time.
kasi kami doon.
Oh.
Mga pinsang ko namin doon. Ngayong gabi mas malakas
Oh my gosh. That's a big one.
Kung kaparito ang hangin.
Ooh. Hope everyone is safe. No one get hurt. Yeah, scary ate.
Sunod-sunod yung kanyang puso. Ito na ngayon. Kanina usok pa lang siya. Ganyan pala. Yan lang natanaw natin. Ganyan lang. Hanggang dyan lang kasi nakikita natin sila malao. Kuha kasi yung dagat. Nasa kabila lang sila ng dagat. Yung kumukuhang are.
Oh my god. Ooh.
Ay, mga anak ko doon.
Wow. Powerful. It's really dark around us. Everywhere. Except that part. But yeah. I haven't heard any explosion yet or sounds, just a thunder. Ooh. Oh, wow. Here po.